Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to handle JSON files using Python in under 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here I have a JSON file and it's already filled with content. Now let's quickly just answer the question, what is JSON? Well, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. What this means is JSON was originally designed for JavaScript, but because of how lightweight it is and how easy it is to store data into, many other programming languages have adopted it. So here we have all of this content. Let's just hop into our main.py and try to read all of that content. So first things first is we're going to with open like usual, and we're going to try to read. So we're going to do file.json, comma read, and we're going to do as file right here. And this is just going to simply read from the JSON file. Now before we can do anything JSON related, we have to import the JSON module. Otherwise, nothing will work. So to do that, all we're going to do is import JSON. Now with this, we can actually go read JSON code. So now we're going to store this into a variable, and we are going to JSON.load, not loads with the S, but load, and we're going to load file. And what this is going to do is it's just going to simply load everything from our JSON file into our variable JSON code. Now if we run this, what we should get is all of this content. Now one thing to note is when you're dealing with JSON code and when you're loading, all of this content is actually a dictionary. So all of this is converted into a dictionary in Python. And to prove that, I can just simply type. And what this is going to do is it's going to show us the class this JSON code or this variable belongs to. Run that, and it's of type dictionary. And another way to prove it is we can easily access the key names of the object. So we can type in people here and run that, and boom, we get all of this, and we can access each element or index. So we're accessing the first index and we get this. So this proves that JSON is automatically converted into an object when loaded in Python. Okay, so now let's go over how to write to a JSON file. Now it's almost the same as writing to any other file, but now instead of using our standard, let's just say write, we're going to use a different method. So we're going to do file.jsonw, and we're going to do file again. And now, like I said, to write to a file, all we have to do is json.dump. And this is just slightly different because usually we would do file.write, but instead we're doing json.dump. And it first requires an object, so we need an object, which is our JSON code, because that is an object. And then it needs the file structure, and that will just be our file here. Now this is going to overwrite everything in here, which technically they're the exact same anyway, so it won't make much of a difference. But let's create a new file by doing file2. So what's going to happen is we're going to get a new file created here. It's going to have everything that file.json has in here. So if we run this, we get our other file here, file2.json, and it literally is the exact duplicate of our file.json here. Now the difference here is file.json is indented while file2.json is not, as you can clearly tell. And to easily fix this problem, let's just head over to our main.py, and we can put another argument, which you can see right here, indent. So we're going to put indent, and we're going to put an indent of 4, which is what I prefer. You could put any other number, but we're going to put 4. So if we run this, and boom, that works. So all of this is now indented of a level of 4. So that's how you read and write to JSON files in Python. Now if you enjoyed this video, then smash that like button. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more videos and useful tips. With that said, peace out, and I'll see you in my next video.